Hey, so in this video, I'm going to show you how you can watch Paramount Plus from anywhere in the world, even if it's blocked in your country. And before we dive in, quick heads up. Right now, NordVPN has a special deal. You can protect up to 10 devices with one account, get 73% off, plus 3 extra months for free. It also comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee. I'll leave my affiliate link in the description below so you can grab that if you're interested. Okay, so here's the problem. If you try to access Paramount Plus in a country where it isn't available, like Turkey for example, the website won't let you in. Instead, it just gives you a coming soon or unavailable page. To fix that, open NordVPN and choose a location where Paramount Plus works, like the United States. Nord has over 60 countries to pick from, but let's go with a US server here. In just a few seconds, it shows you're connected. Now your IP address is masked and websites think you're browsing from the US. Now let's reload Paramount Plus. And you can see, boom, we're in. You can log into your account and stream just like you would if you were physically in the US. One quick note though. This works perfectly if you already have a Paramount Plus account from the US, UK, or another supported region. If you're traveling abroad, some features like downloads or certain shows may be restricted depending on your region. Also, if you don't have an account yet, keep in mind that Paramount Plus billing usually requires a valid US payment method. Some people do find workarounds, but it's something to be aware of. And just so you know, this isn't limited to Paramount Plus. With NordVPN, you can also unlock Netflix libraries, Hulu, Amazon Prime Video, Disney Plus, and more. Basically any platform that blocks content by region. So yeah, that's how you can stream Paramount Plus from anywhere using NordVPN. If you want to try it out, check the link in the description to grab the 73% discount plus 3 bonus months. Thanks for watching, have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.